Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis and I'm here today to introduce you to a brand new segment from my channel called Detail Corner. And you've seen me use a lot of different car care products, polishing, compounding, cleaning in different ways. But those things or videos or segments have been more about the result. This segment will be about the road leading to that result. So it will basically be focused on what, why and how. So those three questions will be answered in some way in this segment. So basically what I'm using, why I'm using it and how I'm using it. The answers to these questions are not just one, there are many. And I hope to provide you with a bit of information so that you can carry on this work. But because I'm living in Sweden with the seasons ranging from cold, snowy winters to hot, sunny summers, I believe that I can help a bit more out if I also record these videos in Swedish. So this segment will be bilingual, or what it's called. I will record them in both English and Swedish. So I hope that you will enjoy this segment, so please subscribe so you can follow along from the beginning, and stay tuned for the first episode, which will be up very, very shortly. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.